In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and access cPanel in GoDaddy. If you're managing a website on GoDaddy's Linux hosting, cPanel is where you handle files, databases, email accounts, backups, and more. So let's get you there quickly and confidently. First, open GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. This takes you to your main account area. Make sure you're signing into the correct customer account for the hosting you want to manage. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt. If you can't remember your password, use the secure password reset link on the sign-in page and try again. Don't share credentials with anyone. Next, head to your My Products page. You can reach it from the top navigation by opening your account menu and choosing My Products. This page lists everything you own with GoDaddy in one place, which makes it the best starting point for hosting access. On the My Products page, scroll until you see the web hosting section. You're looking for a plan labeled Web Hosting with cPanel. If you have multiple hosting plans, match the plan to the domain you want to work on, then click the Manage button next to that plan. If you only see items like Managed WordPress or Domain Products, that means those specific products don't use cPanel. Switch to the hosting plan that does. If the list is long, use the search bar on the page to quickly find web hosting. After you click Manage, you'll land on your hosting dashboard. In the top right corner, look for the cPanel admin button. Click it, and GoDaddy will automatically authenticate you into cPanel without needing to re-enter a username or password. Depending on your browser settings, cPanel may open in the same tab or a new one. If a pop-up blocker stops it, allow the pop-up and click again. A brief loading screen is normal. If it stalls, refresh the page and retry. You're now inside cPanel, where you'll see familiar tools like File Manager, Peach My Admin for databases, email accounts, metrics, and security options. From here, you can continue with whatever task you planned, whether that's uploading site files, creating a database, or managing email. To recap, sign into GoDaddy, go to My Products, find your web hosting with cPanel plan, and click Manage, then use the cPanel admin button. Follow these steps anytime you need quick, direct access to your hosting controls.